Today I'm going to be making a little bitty key. I've already gotten some of this rounded off, and we're going to make this go up into here. All right, so here we go. Now from here we get the air intake going after it sits for just a little bit. Alright, so I got the forge going real nice and good. Now we're going to stick our metal in. Start by flattening this end out. So far, I did a little bit more straightening up off video, but shots, you guys get the idea. This is the little forge raker that I made. It, you know, you can rake your coals with it. Very little handy little booger. Also, for y'all wondering, I do not have a tripod yet, so that's why the whole video, the past video was so crappy. This is what I'm having to do to get the thing to stand still. A barrel that I make my charcoal in. And those little holes right there send the air through, and it gives the wood enough oxidation to heat up. Here we go. forge for a reheat. Alright guys, so as you can see, what happened there is that end broke off. So that right there broke off. So I'm going to have to take this to school, maybe take you off for the journey, I don't know, and weld it. I'll have to weld right on there, make 2 little bars. 1 second, I'll set up this thing to show you. So here's the new plan. My new plan is to weld it in here and in here, possibly having this run up in that area, and this maybe being a little shorter and being up like that. I think it'll still look good. What I did here is I took another piece of metal that was reclaimed and made it look like the break off. Next is I'm going to clean all this up and I'll come back to you after I do that. Next is sandblast this filter. So this is the key after it's all done, and from here it'll go on to be in a play. So I think it turned out very well, and for a day's work or two, and it's nice and golden. Y'all can see right there. Anyway, thank y'all for watching, and see you in the next one. So here's a possible project idea if you guys would like to see it. I'll record it. I'm going to do it out of the way. I thought about making this into a shield. I thought that would be pretty cool. Anyway, if you think it should be a project that I should record, tell me.